Welcome to Curious Cub's Art.
Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a mermaid step by step.
Let's draw Ariel. I am drawing her face first. I'm drawing her hair. She has very long hair. I'm drawing her body. I'm drawing her shells. I'm drawing her tail. I'm drawing her eyes. Isn't Ariel lovely? Let's color Ariel.
Red color.
I'm coloring her hair. I'm coloring her long hair red color. Her hair is so beautiful.
Skin color.
I'm coloring her face. Ariel is so beautiful. I am coloring Ariel's body.
Yellow color. Purple color.
I am coloring her shells.
Sea green color.
I am coloring Ariel's tail. Ariel is done.